Good morning and welcome to Antal Grand Village, Grand Forbes, and this Victoria model is now for sale. Even the other one, which is the Georgina model, is now for sale. Those houses are fully furnished and ready for occupancy. So kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, please watch this. Alright guys, so good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, nandito ako ngayon sa Grand Forbes ng Antal Grand Village and featuring you with this very nice house. It's a castle type house, Spanish Mediterranean, Victoria model. Actually po, this is our ready for occupancy. So ang i-feature ko ngayon is our mga ready for occupancy. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-like and subscribe in my YouTube channel, please subscribe para updated tayo sa ating mga upload dito po sa Antal Grand Village in Aniana. Anyway, so this Victoria model house is very nice. Why? No, because it is situated in a corner lot wherein ganito pa kalaki ang property line mo guys. So it has a lot area of 287 square meters. And you have this large lawn wherein later on you can put your lap pool, basta pasok doon sa ating restriction, or an extension of your house. And you can also put a fence, no, for your privacy. And also this area is very nice because you are fronting the main gate and also facing sa ating water fountain. And even the trees, ayan, malalaki na siya. But for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo how beautiful this Victoria model is. Alright? Excited na ba kayo? Pasokin natin sa loob. Anyway. Okay guys, so this is your lawn area with a lot area of 287. It is situated in a corner lot. Alam nyo ba yung puno na to guys? Ang kulay niya ni kulay pink. Para siyang yung mga puno na galing ng Korea. Ito, ang ganda niyan. Anyway, so the Victoria model unit, ito yung specs natin. So with a lot area of 287 and with a floor area of 215 square meters. And look at the facade. It's so nice. Ayan guys, na ayan. So this is our model house, so ready for occupancy. Sino kaya ang makakabenta nito guys? O sino kaya ang makakabili nito? Anyway guys, kapag ibubook nyo to sa akin, meron to siyang special discount. Ayan. So, bago natin pasukan sa loob, you have this lanay area wherein meron kang dalawang pinto here na later on, pwede mo siyang magiging access. And even the lanay area is naka-tiles na siya. And dito sa side, meron kang isang service area. Meron kang single sink at naka-granite tiles. Pero kung makikita nyo po, may mga defect yung house. Pero bago namin yan ito-turn over sa inyo at nabili nyo pa ito, aayusin po namin yan siya guys. No? I-refurbish po natin yung bahay nito guys. Ayan. Okay, so ito yung back door. So mayroon siyang dalawang aircon dito sa likod at another one, meron pa din sa gilid. Okay, meron na siyang linya ng tubig at saka ang puno, ayan na siya, malaki na. Okay, pasukin natin sa loob. Balikan natin. Actually dito sa Grand Forbes, napakaliit lang ng community na ito. Pero ang maganda dito guys, mayroon to siyang sariling swimming pool. May sarili siyang amenities na exclusive lang dito sa Grand Forbes. And then, upon entering the house, you will welcome this very nice steps. Look at this guys. So, wow, diba? It's so nice. Okay. Mas banayad lang siya at saka ang lapad. Mas talagang mahangin din sa loob. Alright, so upon entering the house, so you will welcome this very nice view. So this is your foyer area. And with a living area, a high ceiling area. Look at this. Ayan, diba? It's so nice. Okay. And also, this is your ground floor. So, binibenta na po yung bahay na ito, all in, no? Kung ano po nakikita nyo dito sa model unit, yun po ang inyo pong makukuha pag binili. Pero, i-refurbish po lahat siya. So, aayusin natin. So, this is your dining area. And also, kung lot owner ka na Antel Grand Forbes at gusto mo nang patayuan ng bahay yung iyong lote, pwede po, no? Pwede kayong bumili nitong Victoria model without the interior. House na lang yung bibili nyo. So, house price na lang siya. Anyway, so this is your dining area, which is meron ka dyang design, no? It's ang tawag dyan is para siyang accent dito sa loob, which gives you the nice vibrant, ayan, nice vibe, ang ganda kasi meron siyang mga lightings. And also this is your kitchen area wherein you have this very large countertop granite, no? It's a L shape that, and even the cabinets, no, kasama na yan siya, guys. And ang maganda dito yung ating mga ventilation is very, no, you have this fridge. Itong fridge sa sale is included na. So tingnan natin kung ano po ang laman nito. Wala, pre-shield. Anyway, ayan. Actually po, ito yung pinakamabenta naming bahay dito po sa Antel Grand Forbes, this Victoria model. And even the flooring. So dahil model house po ito, naka-design na siya o naka-customize na rin siya. Okay po. Then dito sa ibaba, you have this one den, or this one is a room or an office. So convertible din siya into room. But look at the ceiling, no? Napakataas din ng ceiling. And even the ventilation natin, yung mga bintana natin is malalaki. And also, pag dungaw mo dyan, guys, yan, garden mo na siya. Ayan lang yung park area mo. And also, dito, kung maglalagay ka po ng pool or lap pool, pa-aprobahan lang natin kapag kaya po ng restriction, well, we can put a pool. Ayan. Okay, check natin. And dito sa ibaba, meron kang common CR, which is the size is so big. Even the finishes is very nice. Pati yung ating mga fixtures dito po, oh, look at this. Wow. Ayan siya, guys, yung shower head natin. Ayan, it's so nice. Floor to ceiling po yung ating tiles. And even the lavatory, it's perfect. It's nice. And even the fixtures here. Ayan. So, kung ganitong bahay po, at lot owner na po kayo dito sa Antel, so, ito po, dahil mali talaga siya, ginagawa siya ng 1 year. Ayan. And this side pala, pwede mo siya magiging wine area or rack area. Okay, samahan niyo ako sa itaas. Okay, now, right, so ready na kayo para akatin natin sa itaas. So, this video is very helpful, lalo na kung you are living abroad. Tapos gusto niyo pong tumingin ng houses dito sa Philippines. So, this video is for you para at least, no, nakikita mo siya ng actual. Ayan. So, this is your grandest na hagdanan, which is 2 meters ang lapad niya. Na ang laki. And pati yung landing at saka ang orientation ng bahay is ang ganda. Look at this, guys. Wow. Kasi interior namin ito, so ito na siya, binibenta na siya namin. Ganito na siya. Ito. Yung ating flooring sa itaas is laminated, no? Ang ganda. Okay, so dito sa itaas mayroon kang 3 bedrooms. So this is the one room, which is napakalaki ng room na to. Ayan, guys, so nakita nyo, ang laki. What makes this special? Because may sarili po itong balcony. Check natin. Wow. Di ba? Look at this one. So we're in. Pwede kayong dyan mag-coffee or mag-relax. Or even you can have a study area dito po. Kasi makakapag-relax lalo na may puno. And also, meron na rin siya mga built-in cabinets. Shout out kay Leklek, kay Langlang, yung ating buyer ng Mr. Mark. Thank you so much, sir. And then, dito sa itaas may common CR ka. Look at this. Wow. Ang lapad, no? Kaya pa siyang lagyan ng bathtub. Okay, then, check natin yung bedroom 2. The bedroom 2 is almost the same size ng bedroom 1. So, ang maganda rin dito, guys, may sarili din siyang balcony. Yan. So, this design po, at least, pwede niyong kopyahin, lalo na kapag nakatira na kayo sa mga bahay na inyo pong binili. And, pwede niyo siyang gayahin yung design. Yung mga cabinets is ganyan siya. Diba, ang ganda ng cabinet, no? Parang very classic. At saka, Mediterranean yung dating. And then, dito sa itaas po, you have this hallway wherein alam nyo, this one kasi medyo mababa siya, no? So, para sa akin, pag nabili mo yung bahay ko, palitan mo siya ng tempered glass. This one. So, palitan mo siya ng tempered glasses para medyo mas malalong maganda yung bahay. And dito pa sa taas, meron ka master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. Look at this. Wow. It's perfect. Ang ganda, di ba? And even the ceiling, no, napakataas po niya. Ayan siya, guys. Ay, sige, panawag si Arthur. Si Arthur, eh. Ayan na, tour. Okay. Dito sa taas po, meron kang isang walk-in closet. Look at this, guys. Wow. And sa master's bedroom, meron kang sariling CR and bath. Look at this. Di ba nice? Wow. So, this is your private toilet and bath dito sa itaas na master's bedroom. And look at the lavatory. It's perfect. Ang ganda. Ayan siya. And even the fixtures here is very cool. Okay. Check natin po. Ang maganda dito talaga, master's bedroom, toilet and bath, or master's bedroom area, because meron kang napakalaking balcony which is fronting talaga siya sa main road and then facing the main entrance and tsaka facing sa water fountain. At tingnan natin. Alright, so this is the main road. Main road is the hallway sa itaas. And even the cabinets, ang kaganda, diba? Ano? Ang ganda ng klase. Alam mo tong halaman na to, matagal na siya dito. Pero ayan, hindi pa rin siya nagtitiis. Anyway, guys. Okay, check natin. Ayan. Wow. So this is your balcony. Okay, sino kaya makakabili ng ganitong bahay? So we are selling this house for 29 million pesos. And by February, mag-iiba na po ang price ito because meron tayong price increase. But the good thing is, kung mayroon kayong existing lot na dito sa Antel, and then lalo na dito sa Grand Forbes, tapos gusto niyo pong mag-upgrade, no? Kasi bayad na po yung inyong lote, or nasa bangko yung inyong lote. Kapag bayad na yung inyong lote po, pwede kayong mag-upgrade, no? Hihingin lang po namin yung copy ng inyong titulo. Then, yun po isasubmit sa office. Kapag naman ang lote ninyo is nasa bank na, no? Nagpa-bank financing kayo. Ang gagawin po natin is, bago namin tatanggapin yung inyong pong reservation with any model unit, so magpapa-approve muna tayo sa bank. If yung borrower na yon is capable pa siya with house construction or additional loan. So, i-assess po tayo ng PTO, RCBC, or kung saan nakapasok yung inyo pong loan. Ayan siya. So, kung meron kayong clarification, message lang po kayo sa akin sa WhatsApp at 0927-472-4976. So, continuous yung ating tour. So, this is a Spanish Mediterranean house. And alam mo, medyo meticulous, no? Detalyado yung bahay na to. Even yung mga poste, mga column niya, kasi meron talaga siyang design at saka art. Pati yung curve ng mga window, kasi yan po ang, and even this one, oh, look at that. Pati yung atin pong mga bubong o ating mga, kasi tigula po yan siya. Ayan, at least hindi yan siya mainit, no? Kapag mainit. And of course, what makes this special, because itong bahay na to is fronting the water fountain. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. And itong bahay na to po is nabenta na to. So, inaantay na lang po yung turnover niyan. But itong bahay na to, ito yung pinakamalaki natin, which is the Olivia model. Okay. Kung po kayong question at may tanong po kayo, guys, message lang po kayo dito sa akin. At hanapin niyo lang po ako dito sa Antel Grand Village Office. Ray Miliada ng Ami Neptune Group Division Manager. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all soon dito po sa Antel Grand Village or even in Aniana. And by the way, guys, meron po tayong bagong model houses, which is the California, Nevada, Florida, Paris, New York, and Tokyo. Thank you so much, and God bless us all.